Hi everyone, let me give you quick tips to learn English and practice as well. Tip number one, try to WhatsApp your friends in English rather than kaise ho. Try to ask, how have you been doing? How are you doing? How's your day going on? So these are the three sentences you can write. Do it right now. Pause the video and write these sentences to any of your friend on WhatsApp or on Facebook Messenger, and they might reply you in English or in Hindi. That doesn't really matter for you, but you have done your practice well. Second sentence, what is your plan for the weekend? Shall we go out for a movie? Now it doesn't matter that you want to make a movie plan, or you can ask for let's go for a dinner tonight. Do you have any plan for the weekend? I hope you're not doing busy on this weekend. So you can choose any of the sentence and write the second sentence on the WhatsApp, on the Facebook Messenger. Because why on WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger? This is a daily practice. I don't know how many users are actually using WhatsApp these days. Almost every single person is using WhatsApp. So why not using WhatsApp for your English practice and Facebook Messenger too? Okay, so these are the two things, two lines and one tip. Second tip, call. Call any of your friend or relative. Make sure to choose a friend wisely who doesn't make fun of you. Call him. Ask him the same sentences. How are you? How have you been? Do you have any plan for weekend? How's your office going on? Any plan for the dinner today? Let's have a party together. Why didn't you come at my place? Let's have a pizza party today. I'm in a grumpy mood today. Grumpy means I'm not a good mood. I'm in a grumpy mood today. Let's have a pizza party to make my mood uplift. Or you can make any sentence. You can speak anything. It doesn't really matter whether you speak wrong or right English. What matters is the most you try to speak English. At least you try. Make a habit of speaking English. Gradually, a day will come. You will automatically start picking the right word or right vocabulary. This is a magic. Trust me. Do it right now. This is a second tip. Call someone and do right. After doing this exercise, please do write in the comment section which of the exercise you really like the most and which you actually did. If you do both the things, that means you're very serious in your learning English journey. Otherwise, I think English is not for you. So sorry, you're just doing time pass with your life. You just want to stay in Hindi or Punjabi. That's okay if you're a good communicator. I don't mind. But yes, if you think English is actually important for your career, or you are in a profession where English is actually of vital importance, then you really need to do this. I hope these are the two perfect tips. I'll be coming up with the more videos, and on my channel there are at least 5 to 7 videos related to the problems in learning English. I request you to go and check those videos and do one more thing. Simple. Do subscribe this channel so that you can be updated with more videos, and help me to stay motivated by doing a like and comments. Bye bye. Take care from Corporate Hub.